Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a car battery Chevy Equinox 2018. Start by parking on level ground, turning off the ignition, and engaging the parking brake, then open the hood and locate the battery. Wear gloves and eye protection, gather a 10 mm wrench and a terminal puller, and disconnect the negative terminal first. I'll walk you step by step through removal, replacement, and safe disposal so you feel confident doing this yourself. Begin by disconnecting the negative terminal first, then the positive, to avoid sparks and shorts. Remove any plastic covers and unbolt the hold-down clamp with a 10 mm socket, keeping bolts in a safe spot. Carefully lift straight up using both hands and keep the battery upright to prevent acid spills. If the battery is stuck, wiggle gently and consider a terminal puller. Ask for help if the battery feels too heavy or corroded. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car repair guides. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth taught me to value practical savings and DIY repairs. It's an easy read that pairs well with learning to save on car maintenance. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to pick up a copy, and now let's get back to the video. Set the new battery into the tray upright and secure the hold-down clamp so it won't shift while driving. Reconnect the positive terminal first, then the negative, tightening both clamps snugly but not over-torqued, and clean any remaining corrosion with a brush. Start the engine to confirm a strong crank and verify electronic systems, clock, and saved settings. I'll also share tips on recycling the old battery and resetting accessories to finish the job right.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.